Every winter morning, millions of drivers unknowingly shave years off their engines before even leaving the driveway. The scary part, it's not the cold, it's you. Those little habits you repeat at startup could be costing you thousands in repairs. Let's break the cycle today. 1. Revving the engine right away. When it's freezing outside, some drivers think revving wakes up the engine. Wrong. Cold oil is like honey, thick and sluggish. Slam the gas too soon, and you're forcing metal parts to grind together without proper lubrication. You're paying for a new engine way earlier than you should. But that's just the first mistake, and it's one almost everyone makes. 2. Letting it idle forever. Now, the opposite mistake, letting your car idle for 10, even 20 minutes to warm it up. Sounds cozy. Nope. Modern engines don't need that. Long idling just dumps fuel into your oil, thins it out, and burns money in gas. Instead, 1 to 2 minutes is enough, then drive gently, and the engine warms itself up safely. Here's the kicker: most people think they're being kind to their car when they're actually slowly killing it. 3. Flooring it once you start driving. Ever notice someone launch like they're drag racing on a frosty morning? Big mistake. Your transmission fluid, differential, and bearings are all cold too. Hit the gas hard, and you're stressing every system before they're ready. Treat the first 5 minutes like warm-up stretches, not the main event. But wait until you hear the next one. It's the most sneaky habit of all. 4. Ignoring frosted or foggy windows. This isn't just unsafe, it's destructive. Why? Because drivers often crank the defroster to max heat instantly. That sudden temperature shock can actually crack glass, strain seals, and stress your climate control system. Instead, ease into it. Start with moderate airflow. Let the car's natural heat do the work. Slow and steady saves you a windshield replacement. 5. Skipping the battery warm-up. Cold kills weak batteries faster than anything. Most people just twist the key and hope, but flipping on your headlights for 20 seconds before starting warms the battery slightly, helping it deliver a stronger crank. That tiny habit could be the difference between a smooth morning or calling for a tow truck. Here's the truth: cold starts don't have to be a death sentence for your engine. Avoid these 5 habits, and you're not just protecting your car, you're protecting your wallet, your freedom, and your peace of mind. Because nothing screams financial independence like not dropping $5,000 on an avoidable repair. If you want to keep driving smarter, saving money, and staying one step ahead of expensive repairs, hit that subscribe button. Auto Repair is here every week to put you in the driver's seat, not the mechanic's waiting room.